Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be learning how to convert a text file into an Excel file. As you can see on your screens, I have a small data set in the text file which I have to convert into Excel. So I open an Excel file, I go to the data tab and then to the get external data ribbon. Over here I see various options. Since my data is stored in the text file, I'll select from text. In other videos, which will be uploaded soon, we'll be learning how to extract data from Access, from web and from other sources as well. So we select on from text and select the file which we want to import. Then we see a text import wizard pops up on our screen. This wizard automatically determines that our data is delimited. That is, a specific character differentiates each field in our data. This character can be a comma or a tab or semicolon or any other character which we can specify as well. The other option which is available is fixed width. In fixed width, the fields are separated not using any special character. That is, we decide and we align our columns on our choice. So we go with delimited only since my data, which can be viewed in this excerpt over here, is separated using a comma, that is a special character. Now, my data does not have headers, so I'm not checking on this option. Then I click on next. Now the delimiters have been specified over here, among which I have to choose the delimiter which differentiates my data. Since my delimiter is a comma, I select on comma and I uncheck tab. Then I again press on next. This option allows me to change the format of the data. So I can change the format of my data from general to text or to date, or I can skip importing a certain column. I'll keep my data to general itself and then I click on finish. Now the Excel is asking me where exactly do I want to extract the data, whether on this working sheet itself or a new worksheet. I would like to extract my data in this worksheet itself. Now we need to specify the location, whether at A1 or any other cell. To change the cell reference, we can do this by simply clicking on the cell in which we want to extract the data. As you can see, the cell reference is automatically being changed over here. But right now, I would like to extract at A1 itself. So I click on A1 and then I press OK. As you can see, my data is extracted over here. Now let's try to extract the data which is differentiated using fixed width. So again, go to the get external data tab and then to the from text tab. I select my file of choice and click on import. Now my text import wizard has automatically determined that my data is differentiated using fixed width. That is, we will decide where the column breaks are to be inserted. So I select next. As you can see, Excel has already suggested a few places where the column break should have been inserted. Now we can either remove this column break, this break line, or we can add a break line. To remove the break line, simply select the break line twice. And to add a break line, just select on the excerpt once where we want to add the break line. Now I'll be removing all the unnecessary break lines in my data. And I'll add one more break line over here. Then I select next. I do not want to change the data format, so I press finish. This time I'll be extracting this data in a new worksheet, so I select new worksheet and press on OK. As you can see, a new worksheet has opened and our data has been successfully extracted over there. We hope you like this video. For further videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.